Welcome to you all, curious and talented student in Kana Math classes, that is KMC for 12th Math under CBSE board based on NCERT pattern. Now, in the continuation of previous videos, I will going to solve further some typical questions or order the questions under the same exercise, that is question number 2 part first. In this problem, you have to find out the maximum or minimum values if any of the function fx is equal to mod of x plus 2 minus 1. My dear students, you must attain this special provision that you have to find out whether the function fx has any minimum or maximum value if it exists or not. For this purpose, we will attain a basic method for solving the maximum or minimum value if any of the function fx exists. For this purpose, you must know that the mod of any function, that is mod of x plus 2, is always greater than or equal to 0. Since mod of x plus 2 is always greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Hence, fx is equal to mod of x plus 2 minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 plus minus 1. X plus 2 mod of x plus 2 minus 1, because fx is mod of x plus 2 minus 1. So, mod of x plus 2 minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 plus minus 1. Plus minus 1. Here you have already declared that x plus 2 is greater than 0. Greater than 0. So now you may change here fx is equal to mod of x plus 2 minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, and 0 plus minus 1 for every x is element of real number now. Now, if x plus 2 is 0, if x plus 2 is 0 or x is equal to minus 2, then fx that is x plus 2 minus 1 greater than or equal to minus 1 for every x is element of R, and x plus 2 mod of x plus 2 will be 0 at x is equal to minus 2, hence fx at x is equal to minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 1, that is minus 1, hence it's mixed, hence minimum value of fx is equal to minus 1. No maximum value exists. No max value exists. Yes, this is it. Now, in the second part of the same question 2, that is, you have to find out that gx is equal to minus mod of x plus 1 plus 3, whether this function has any maximum or minimum value or not. We have already discussed in the previous part of the question that mod of any, since mod of x plus 1 is greater than or 0, greater than or equal to 0 for x is element of R. Then here you have given minus sign, then minus mod of x plus 1 will less than or equal to 0 for x is element of R. Or for the function gx that is minus mod of x plus 1 plus 3 will be less than or 0 plus 3. Hence, the function is always must be equal to or less than 3, that is minus x plus 1 plus 3 less than or equal to 3 or x is element of R, or x is element of R. Hence, x plus 1 will be equal to 0 if x is equal to minus 1. Hence, the function will be maximum. Hence, the gx will be max at x is equal to minus 1, and for this purpose mod of x plus 1 will be equal to 0. Hence gx will be less than or equal to 3. Hence, maximum value is equal to 3. Minimum value doesn't exist. Minimum value does not exist. This is law. We know minus 1 sin x greater than or equal to 1 means here minus 1. The value of sin x is in between minus 1 and plus 1. The value of sin x exists in between minus 1 and plus 1. Now, we already know that the value of sin theta lies between minus 1 to 1. maximum value of sin x is 1 and minimum value of sin x is equal to -1. Hence, sin 2x -1 sin 2x less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1 or -1 less than or equal to, if you add 5 sin 2x plus 5, and here we also add plus 5 plus 5, because in the earlier step we must have mentioned that the value of sin 2x lies in between -1 to +1, and the given function hx is defined as sin 2x plus 5, and sin 2x plus 5 will be less than or equal to -1 plus 5 less than or equal to sin 2x, here less than or equal to 1 plus 5, or -1 plus 5 that is 4 less than or equal to sin 2x less than or equal to 1 plus 5, 6. Here in this discussion we see that the minimum value of the function, here we have also written 5, minimum or maximum value of the sin 2x plus 5 is situated here. The minimum value is 4 and maximum value is 6. The function hx has minimum value is equal to 4 and maximum value is equal to 6. That's all. In the same question, and sub part of fourth of the question number 2 of the same exercise, here it is given that the function fx is mod of sin 4x plus 3. Mod of sin 4x plus 3. We know already. We know that sin -1 less than or equal to sin x is equal to +1. We know that the value of sin x lies in between -1 to 1, or x is element of real number, or -1 less than or equal to sin 4x less than equal to 1, or the given function, this is -1 plus 3 less than or equal to sin 4x plus 3 less than or equal to 1 plus 3, or -1 plus 3, this is -2 less than or equal to sin 4x plus 3 less than or equal to 1 plus 3, that is 4. Hence, the maximum value of function, maximum value of fx is equal to 4 and minimum value of fx is equal to -2. Now, in this particular part of the question number 2, it's given the function of fx function of hx is equal to x plus 1 for every x is element of minus 1 1. Now here mode is not given, hence we will use the fundamental method of maxima minima, that is the first derivative. First derivative should be 0 for maxima and minima. For maxima or minima x dash x should be equal to 0 or x dash x is equal to x means 1 plus 0 or x dash x is equal to 1 which is not 0, which is not 0, hence hx has neither minima or nor maxima. This is done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.